Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. I have come with another notification detail. IFSCA has released recruitment of Officer Grade A Assistant Manager in the legal stream. Let's look at the recruitment PDF, the notification in detail. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below. This is for recruitment of Officer Grade A Assistant Manager 2024. Your online application will start from 28th of March and will last up to 21st of April. The tentative dates for Phase 1 online examination is May-June 2024 and for Phase 2 online examination is June or July 2024. There are total 10 vacancies. Out of these 10 posts, 2 posts are earmarked for legal stream and the remaining 8 are for general stream. It is also mentioned that these 10 vacancies include 2 posts for legal stream, earmarked to be filled up by the candidates opting for legal stream with horizontal reservation. That is, these posts shall be filled across all categories. After selection, they may be posted in specialized departments or also in other departments offices of IFSCA. Depending on requirements, IFSCA reserves the right to vary the number of vacancies between streams and within total vacancies notified above. A candidate can apply for one stream only, either general or legal, for which he or she is eligible to apply. Age limit: a candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as on February 1, 2024. Education qualification: for legal stream, bachelor degree in law from a recognized university or institute is required. No experience is required. Coming to the mode of selection. Mode of selection shall be a 3-stage process. Phase 1 online screening examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks. Phase 2 online examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks each and Phase 3 interview. Phase 1 online examination. Online screening examination consisting of 2 papers, multiple choice questions of 100 marks each, will be held in April 2024 tentatively. In the earlier table, it was mentioned that Phase 1 exam will be tentatively in May and June. Here it is mentioned in April 2024 tentatively. So there is a discrepancy here. Let's see when the exam date is announced. There are 2 papers in Phase 1. Paper 1 is multiple choice questions, general awareness 25 questions, English language 25 questions, quantitative aptitude 25 questions, test of reasoning 25 questions. In 60 minutes, you have to attempt 100 questions of 100 marks. The cutoff is 30%. Coming to paper 2 legal stream, here you have multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to stream. This paper is of 100 marks, 60 minutes and the minimum cutoff is 40%. Aggregate cutoff is 40%. So here you can remember the SEBI legal exam pattern. Paper 1 में number of questions increase कर दिए हैं. In SEBI legal 80 questions come. While in IFSCA, in paper 1 100 questions will be there, but the aggregate cutoff is 40%, similar to the pattern in SEBI legal phase 1. There shall be negative marking 1/4 for paper 1 and paper 2. There shall be a cutoff of minimum 30% for paper 1 and 40% for paper 2. Candidates would need to secure separate cutoff in each paper as mentioned above, as well as aggregate cutoff of 40% in phase 1 exam to be shortlisted for phase 2. Coming to phase 2 online examination, there will be 2 papers of 100 marks each and will be held in May 2024 tentatively. The paper shall be as follows. Paper 1 will be English descriptive, in which Précis will be of 35 marks, essay 30 marks and comprehension 35 marks. The maximum marks are 100. Duration is 60 minutes, cutoff is 30%. The weightage of paper 1 is 1/3. Then paper 2 in the legal, you will have multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to stream. 100 questions, 40% cutoff, 60 minutes का paper है. Aggregate cutoff is 40%, but overall cutoff will go high. Candidates shortlisted for phase 2 will be issued new hall tickets. There shall be negative marking 1/4 of the marks assigned to the question for paper 2 in phase 2. There shall be a cutoff of minimum 30% in paper 1 and a cutoff of minimum 40% for paper 2 in phase 2. Candidates would need to secure separate cutoff and also aggregate cutoff of 40%. However, the final cutoff for calling for phase 3, that is interview, will be decided by competent authority in relation to the number of vacancies. Then you have interview. The weightage given to interview is 15% and the weightage to phase 2 will be 85%. Probation period is mentioned. The successful candidates will undergo a probation period of 2 years. The pay scale is given. 44,500 is your basic pay. Presently, the gross emoluments including IFSC's contribution towards NPS, grade allowance, special allowance, dearness allowance, family allowance, etc. at the minimum of this scale is approximately rupees 1,43,000 per month. There are other benefits also present. Leave fare concession, medical expense, eye refraction, education allowance, financial dailies, book grant, all of these are the other benefits available. The posting will be in the department of IFSCA. It can be in any department of IFSCA. Application fees is mentioned. Then in the end, syllabus is also given. This is the syllabus for paper 2 of phase 1 and phase 2 in legal stream. You can see Constitution of India holds 20% weightage, contract law, Indian Contract Act, sale of goods, Indian partnership, specific relief holds 25% weightage, CPC, limitation, transfer of property and arbitration holds 25% weightage, admin law, jurisprudence, important Latin terms and maxims hold 20%, law of torts, consumer protection holds 10%. So this paper 2 of phase 1 has exactly the same syllabus as SEBI legal. Then coming to your phase 2, in phase 2, criminal law, IPC, CRPC evidence has 30% weightage. Remember, there are only objective questions. There are no descriptive quotient present in this paper. Then in corporate law, Companies Act, LLP and IBC holds 30% weightage. These are the different areas for this recruitment. IFSCA Act and the following acts: Reserve Bank of India Act, Insurance Act, Banking Regulation Act, SCRA, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act, General Insurance Business Nationalization, SEBI Act, Depository Act, IRDA Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act, Credit Information Companies Regulation Act, Government Securities Payment Settlement System Act, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, Factoring Regulation Act. So these are all the different things that you will have to study for IFSCA recruitment. There will be 50 questions in paper 2, both in phase 1 and phase 2, every question of 2 marks each. So that is all in this video. You can download this PDF from the description below. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this number. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.